Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best BJD Kits is probably one of the most rewarding and creative hobbies you can undertake, offering a unique blend of artistic expression and meticulous craftsmanship. Whether you are a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, assembling your own BJD kit provides an unparalleled journey of discovery, allowing you to bring a unique character to life through your own hands and personalize it to reflect your individual style and preferences. This video will guide you through everything you need to know. Number 5. UCanaan 14 SD BJD Doll. She's a beautiful princess, standing at 18 inches tall and designed by our professional team. Perfect for children 13 and up, she makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. This doll is crafted from safe, non-toxic materials. The expertly applied hair is incredibly durable and her 26 joints allow for countless poses. It comes with a stunning outfit, shoes, makeup, and even extra gifts. Each doll is carefully packaged to ensure safe arrival. Compared to similar dolls, she boasts incredibly detailed facial features. We've included extra gifts to bring extra joy to your child. If you have any questions about your doll, please contact us. We'll respond within 24 hours. What we like? It's a princess-like doll, standing at 18 inches tall and boasting 26 joints for dynamic posing. She comes with a complete outfit, ready for play right out of the box. If you're looking for a ready-to-play doll with lots of accessories for a young one, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Outfits are nice, really cute and well made. The detail on the doll and the dress is perfect. For the price, it's an extremely well-made BJD great starter for upsizing BJD collection. Number 4. UCanaan 24-inch BJD Doll. This beautiful doll is perfect for imaginative play and customization. It's made of high-quality plastic, ensuring durability for hours of fun. She's crafted from a durable, high-quality plastic designed to withstand lots of playtime. This ensures she'll be a cherished companion for years to come. With its many joints, it can strike countless poses, just like a real person. Plus, you can even change its makeup to create a unique look. It's perfect for DIY doll customization. Let your creativity shine and make it truly your own. Looking for a special gift? This doll makes a wonderful present for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion. It's sure to bring joy to any child or collector. This doll is more than just a toy, it's a canvas for your imagination. Customize it, pose it, and let the storytelling begin. What we like? This 24-inch doll features highly movable joints, allowing for a wide range of poses. It's also designed for customization, letting you personalize its look. If you enjoy customizing your dolls and want a larger, posable figure, this is the one for you. Number 3. YMY Obitsu 2224 BJD Doll Body. This versatile doll body is perfect for customization. It's compatible with a variety of heads and offers incredible posability. Standing at approximately 7.87 inches tall, it's the ideal size for many doll heads and outfits. Each joint rotates smoothly for dynamic poses. It features a magnetic base, making it easy to display on magnetic surfaces. No more worrying about it tipping over. The package includes the body, 3 pairs of hands, a face support, chest replacement parts, a neck clip, a screwdriver, and extra YMY 24 parts for the arms and legs. It's designed to work with various doll heads, including GSC, Obitsu 11, BJD, Lika, Blythe, and more. The possibilities are endless. Please note that the color may vary slightly from the image due to monitor settings. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like? This compact doll, standing at 7.87 inches, has magnetic feet for easy display and is compatible with various doll heads. It offers great versatility for collectors. If you collect smaller dolls and want a highly customizable body, this is an excellent option. What people say. The body tilts side to side and does a twist. There's a limited forward or backward movement, so if you're looking for dramatic backbends, look elsewhere. It also comes with extra hands and can be made taller or shorter, depending on what your character needs. The joints are firm and the parts are sturdy. Plastic is durable, skin color is true to photo. The joints are always strong. The body can fit certain types of clothes for Barbie. Shirts and dresses fit no problem. If pants had elastic waistband they fit well. If it was Velcro closure then the pants were too big. And since doll body has flat feet I didn't try any heel type shoes but did find one pair of fashion doll type tennis shoes that almost fit. Now the clothes and shoes I have for a Blythe doll fit with no issues. Number 2. UCanaan 16 BJD Doll. This isn't just any doll, it's a fashion companion designed and made by UCanaan. It's perfect for children and makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. Standing at 30 centimeters tall, it boasts incredibly detailed facial features. With 18 rotatable joints, it can strike countless poses. It's ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. It's also great for collectors and makes a wonderful companion for children. This doll comes with 4 different hand shapes. You can easily swap them out to create even more unique poses. Remember, the head and joints are not detachable. The body is made of hard silicone, and the joints are made of high-quality ABS material. Contact us with any questions. What we like? This fashionable 12-inch doll has 18 rotatable joints and comes with interchangeable hands for diverse poses. The detailed face and multiple hand options allow for creative play. If you want a smaller doll with highly posable hands and a detailed face, this is a great choice. What people say. It's made mostly of the typical doll body rubbery stuff. The joints and torso are plastic, and the pieces are well fitted but all are easily removable, so you can paint details without worrying about touching other pieces. The joint move fine but seem to slide around. My first one was defective but the second came fine. This pick is second girly, she's much sturdier than first girly. Interesting facts, they fit stretchy curvy Barbie clothes and Nana doll wigs. This 12-16 BJD was better quality than I hoped for. It does measure 12, or just a tiny bit below, bald. It has a 714 head circumference for wig size. It is oversized compared to Bid Kid, however, so is not an ideal companion for those they will not share shoes, wigs, or clothing. Chest is 5'5'8", waist is 4'3'4", and hips are 6'5'16". Foot dimension is 18mm x 40mm, so shoes would need to be slightly bigger than this inside. The skin tone is dark tan, probably a bit darker than Ipplehouse light brown. The brown eyes are pretty with long lashes, but are not easily swappable like a real BJD's would be. The number, placement, and operation of the joints are good. Number 1. Proudoll Dana BJD Doll. Meet Dana, the stunning 1/6 scale ball-jointed doll from Proudoll. She's 12 inches tall and features 18 points of articulation for dynamic posing. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Dana's 18 joints allow for a wide range of poses and expressions. Bring your imagination to life and create unique and dynamic scenes. Dana's beautiful face is hand-painted, giving her a unique and lifelike appearance. But the fun doesn't stop there, you can easily customize it to your liking. She boasts a high-quality PVC body and charming elf ears, adding to her enchanting look. The possibilities for customization are endless. With Dana, you're not just buying a doll, you're buying a blank canvas. Change her makeup, dress her up, and make her truly your own. The only limit is your imagination. Inside the box, you'll find Dana and her beautifully hand-painted makeup. Get ready to embark on a creative journey. What we like? This 12-inch doll is unique with elf ears and customizable makeup, allowing for a truly personalized creation. The PVC body is durable and ready for your artistic touch. If you are looking for a doll you can personalize completely, this is the perfect choice. What people say. She is hollow and plastic, but very durable. Beautiful job on the makeup. It's pretty good quality. She definitely came as God made her. Joints are flexible. This makes a great beginner BJD, for sure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.